Alright guys, first experience, Port 11 here. This is pretty bad, and I gotta weigh that. Just broke the leash. Board got smashed in the rocks like many times. I don't know if I can fix this. This is basically fucked up. What's up guys? Today I destroyed my board. Went to Port 11, big waves, tubing, you know, reef, really dangerous for a non-pro, non-expert, completely beginner like me. The only try that I got a good wave, I fall off, the board went away, the leash got broken, but the board got completely smashed many times against the rocks on the beach. So this is the board. The fin plug got completely taken off. Dings here. I got a big one here. Really big damage here. I got a nice little hole here. And the nose got destroyed. So you would say throw the board away, right? Exactly, that's what I thought. But honestly, I want to try to get better on the fixing of the surfboard, because I kind of like it. I want to try to fix this board. Big damage here. And this is broken. It was just really attached, but it was already broken. So it's better in this case to take it off and re-glue a filling material here and here. So the board is pretty much destroyed everywhere. Here, here, here. The fin plug is missing. I'm gonna replace it. And also the tail. Pretty confident actually to be able to at least try to fix it. I say I'm not pretending to, you know, to get a super board back, but I want to try to fix it and go back to the ocean. Let's see. So guys, I decided finally to do the whole glassing from scratch. Actually, I didn't find any video on YouTube about taking away the old glassing, and I was kind of afraid, you know, on an old board like this, is probably 10 or more years old. I was afraid to have, you know, any sticky points where it was gonna rip my foam, but actually it worked pretty good. Took off almost all the fiberglass. I lost a little bit of this rail. I think I can fix it with some, you know, refilling material. I gotta fix this, that it was already here. I gotta fix this. Anyway, a little bit of job, but I think now the foam can really get really dry, and I think now it's probably, you know, I can really do a good job. What's up, guys? New garage, new place. Here we can work properly. So everything's ready. I still have to do some, you see, some little things I like to fix, but it's almost, the big thing is done. And then we're gonna glass it. Yeah, a few little things like to make it smooth, the whole thing. Alright guys, so the board is all covered underneath, ready to be glassed. Now I'm gonna cut here, take away the excess.